Hello everyone, I Professor Santosh Bansode welcome you all for a lecture on traveling salesman problem. Traveling salesman problem is a special case of assignment model. Assignment model is one of the optimization techniques in the operations research. I hope you have watched my previous videos. If not watched, please watch and then come to the traveling salesman problem. Now let us first discuss what is the traveling salesman problem here. Now, if we look at the concept, we know that a salesman has to visit many cities and he has to again come back to his original place. But while doing this, he has to visit each and every place once so that his total distance covered or total time required or total cost will be less. Therefore, the traveling salesman problem is very similar to the assignment problem, except that in the former, that is, in the traveling salesman problem, there are additional restrictions that a salesman starts from his city, visits his city once and returns to his home city, so that the total distance, cost or time is minimum. So here, whenever we are going to optimize our distance, cost or time, our objective will be minimization. So whenever we solve a traveling salesman problem, our objective will be of minimization time. Now let us go to the problem so that you will have better understanding. I hope that you are well conversant with the Hungarian assignment method. I hope that you have basic knowledge about Hungarian assignment. Hello friends, now let us discuss here the procedure for solving a traveling assignment problem. Now in the step 1, let us solve the problem as an assignment problem. Simply, we have to obtain the solution for traveling salesman problem usually by Hungarian assignment method. Now once we get the solution, optimum solution for assignment problem, we have to check for a complete cycle or alternative cycles, as salesman has to travel from one city to another and cover all the cities without visiting a city twice. Therefore, we should get there a complete cycle. That means if there are 4 cities, city 1, 2, 3 and 4, but while traveling from city 1, 2, 3, 4 and to come back to city 1, he may go from 1 to 3, 3 to 2, 2 to 4 and 4 to 1, so that a one cycle is obtained. Our objective is here with the minimization, as well as we should get a complete cycle. If the cycle is complete, then we have to go to step 4, that is step 4, where we have to write the optimum assignment schedule and calculate the cost or time. But if we don't get the complete cycle, we have to go to the step 3. Step 3 is here. We have to start with such a way that the assignment should be done at the next element first. That means only for first allocation we have to use the next least element than the 0. Usually in the assignment problem, we start the assignments or we make all the assignments on the 0 elements. But if the cycle is not possible with respect to the 0 elements, then for making assignment, our first assignment should be made on the next smallest element other than 0, and then we have to proceed for making the assignments. And if we complete the assignment, again we have to go to the step 2. So again we have to check whether a cycle is complete or not, and if there are alternative cycles are possible, choose the one where we get our optimum value or optimum cycle. But again, if the solution is not optimum from cycle point of view, then again we have to consider the next element other than the 0 and next element value, then again make the assignments. So this is to be continued till we get the optimum assignment. Now there is an important point here. if there are two non-zero values in the matrix, that means more than 0 if there are at least two elements which are next smallest elements. In that problem there we will get two optimal solutions, but the solutions will be correct from our perspective, which gives us a complete cycle. And if we get the complete cycle, calculate the cost for the two allocations and find the optimal solution. So this is the procedure for traveling salesman problem. Now let us have one example here. A traveling salesman has to visit 5 cities. He wishes to start from a particular city, visit each city once, and then return to his starting point. The traveling cost in rupees of each city from a particular city is given below. What should be the sequence of salesman's visit so that the cost is minimum? This cost is mentioned here in hundreds of rupees. Therefore, a matrix table is given. Now look here along the diagonal. This symbol is the infinity. That means assignment of respective row to the respective column is not possible, because traveling from city A to A, this is not possible case. B to B, this is not a possible case. That means in traveling salesman problem there are always infinities or restrictions for making assignments. Its meaning is assignment is not possible for these rows and columns. Now let us proceed to the solution. Now we have obtained here solution by Hungarian assignment method. I hope that you know the Hungarian assignment method and you are able to solve the assignment problem. Here optimal solution according to Hungarian assignment method is given. So there are many ways for obtaining the solutions by drawing the number of lines. So if line pattern is different, these values other than assigned zeros may be different. So therefore I have mentioned here a special note where values in the matrix may be different but assignments will be same. That means at optimality we must get zeros at these places, but according to the line patterns these values may be different. So keep in mind, this is very important point. At optimality positions of zeros is same, but on the basis of line patterns these values may be different. Now this is the solution obtained by Hungarian assignment method. So I have given a special note here. In this assignment it means that the traveling salesman will start from city A, right? The salesman will start from city A. He will reach to city E. Now again he will start from city E and he will come back to city A. So this is incomplete cycle, A to E and E to A. So therefore this is not the optimum solution from traveling salesman point of view. This is mentioned here. It means that the traveling salesman will start from city A, then he go to E and will return to A without visiting other cities. Therefore cycle is not complete. To overcome this situation, next highest element can be assigned to start with. Now next highest element in this matrix other than 0 is 1. Here it is 1, 1, 1. So there are 3 possible assignments here according to the rule. So in this case 1 is the smallest element, next smallest element other than zeros. There are 3 ones. Therefore consider all these ones one by one and find the root which completes the cycle. Now this is the optimum solution by Hungarian assignment method, but this is not solution to the traveling salesman problem because his requirement is not satisfied. Therefore now let us make next assignment, first assignment only at this one first, and assignment is shown in the next table. So here case 1 is considered. Make assignment for the cell A to B. Once we make this assignment, cross the extra zeros in the row or column. So this 0 and this 0 are crossed. Then make assignment in a row which has exact 1 0. So exact 1 0, which is a row which has exact 1 0, this one. So make assignment here, extra zeros can be crossed out. Now again next possible assignment is here. There is exact 1 0 remaining for exact one element is there other than 0, which is smallest. So let us make assignment here, cross the remaining zeros and succeedingly make assignments. Now if you observe here, look at the assignments. Salesman will start from city A, he will go to B, from B to C, again from C to D, D to E and E to A. Here assignments are shown and here we get a complete cycle. Therefore requirement is satisfied, and let us calculate the travelling cost to this solution. Therefore the travelling cost is calculated with respect to the original table. So this is a case 1 where we made assignment to the next smallest value other than 0 here. Now if you make the next assignment here, first assignment here, the solution will repeat here. These are the allocations. Now case 2 is if the assignment is made for cell DC first instead of DE, the feasible solution cannot be obtained. The route for the assignment will be A to B, B to C, C to D and D to C. In this case, the salesman visits city C twice and cycle is not complete. Therefore, this is not feasible solution. You can try on your own. You can apply this concept on this table. You make first assignment here and check whether we get a complete cycle. We don't get here complete cycle in the case 2. Therefore, the sequence feasible for the assignment is as per the case 1 solution, and the travelling cost minimum will be rupees 15,000. I have skipped here the steps from Hungarian assignment method, but we should solve and obtain the solution as a final table. I hope you have understood the travelling salesman problem. Thank you for watching the video.